The periodic table of the elements is a method of showing the chemical elements in a table with the elements arranged in order of increasing atomic number. Periodic table of elements is composed of periods and groups. Each new horizontal row of the periodic table corresponds to the beginning of a new period because a new principal energy level is being filled with electrons. Elements with similar chemical properties appear at regular intervals within the vertical columns called groups. A group is a vertical column in the periodic table and is considered to be the most important way of classifying the elements. The alkali metals make up group 1 of the table and comprise lithium, Li, through francium, Fr. These elements have very similar behavior and characteristics. Hydrogen is group 1, but it exhibits few characteristics of a metal and is often categorized with the non-metals. The alkaline earth metals make up group 2 of the periodic table, from beryllium, Be, through radium, Ra. Each of these elements has 2 electrons in its outermost energy level, which makes the alkaline earths reactive enough that they're rarely found alone in nature. But they're not as reactive as the alkali metals. Their chemical reactions typically occur more slowly and produce less heat compared to the alkali metals. The third group is much too long to fit into the third column, so it is broken out and flipped sideways to become the top row of the island that floats at the bottom of the table. This is the lanthanides, elements 57 through 71, lanthanum, La, tellurium, Lu. The elements in this group have a silvery white color and tarnish on contact. The actinides line the bottom row of the island and comprise elements 89, actinium, Ac, through 103, lawrencium, Lr. Of these elements, only thorium, Th, and uranium, U, occur naturally on Earth in substantial amounts. All are radioactive. The actinides and the lanthanides together form a group called the inner transition metals. Returning to the main body of the table, the remainder of groups 3 through 12 represent the rest of the transition metals. Hard but malleable, shiny, and possessing good conductivity, these elements are what you typically think of when you hear the word metal. Many of the greatest hits of the metal world, including gold, silver, iron and platinum, live here.